Oh goodness, I think they do incredibly well. First of all, how in the first place, engaged with the Ombudsman Office was the Public Services Ombudsman for Wales, and they requested that I go in to do some training to the whole organization. It was hybrid, obviously, because not everybody could be there. And the participation, the engagement, I was so impressed. People genuinely, and even before when I was, as given the brief, it was made clear that this is not something we want you to come in, Bernie, and just say generally. They want to be able to practically apply these principles to how they treat with complainants, how they handle, how they identify different ways that they need to be to support the campaigns, and also to how they perceive the complaints, and how they should progress, so that should inform their investigative process. And then they wanted me to be clear, to give clear tools as to how they can use these diversity and inclusion principles and allyship and so on to support the teams within the Public Services Ombudsman for Wales. I was so impressed with the fact that it was not a tick box exercise, and it just made very clear to me that that's not what we want. And that was what I wanted to hear. And so I went in, and it was an incredible, the engagement, and it was just brilliant. And so I started my relationship with them that way. I heard about the opportunity to join the advisory panel as an independent member, and after rigorous interview process, I was successful. And even, by the time I got into that role, there were things that had come up in the training that they already started to implement. Things that were, in terms of the messaging, the website, the accessibility, and all of those things. They already had contemplated it. Then there were new things that came up, and so far, I'm telling you, there's so much stride that has been made. Then they have invited me to the full Ombudsman's Association. You invited me to your conference last year, and I had the privilege to speak to a much wider audience and to share my message. Was very, very, very well received. So what's my view? I think the Ombudsman Association and the Public Services Ombudsman for Wales, I think you have at your heart diversity, equity, equality, but most importantly, what I think you have got the message about is belonging. Because you can have diversity, you can have equality because you're all in equal positions, but you might not have equity because you're not all being treated in the same way, treated fairly. And if that does not happen, you won't have a sense of belonging. You'll just have a lot of people there just floating around with absolutely no true sense of belonging. But that's not what's happening in Public Services Ombudsman for Wales that I can speak of on a daily, well, I'm not there every day, but when I go to board meetings and so on, it is clearly what happens when I read the papers and I see the reports. That's what's at the focus. And in the wider Ombudsman Association, I see it reflected. And what I heard at your conference when I was there was that dissatisfaction, not saying, oh, we're doing so well. It was, we think we need to do more. We want to be good, doing better. That's incredible. And I applaud you for that.